y'all? Welcome back to Stillwater Farms. So, in this video, I have some very exciting news. We bought 170 acres, 15 minutes northeast of here. So, this property is an old abandoned dairy farm operation. It's been about 20 years since the barns have seen daylight. It's been about 20 years since the entire property was back how it was. So in 20 years, this farm has grown up with a lot of 6-inch trees, 4-inch trees, a lot of brush, overgrowth, just a lot of debris all over the place. And about almost all of it can be cleared back out to its original state. And this farm once actually, I found old aerial maps of the farm. And I looked at it. This farm was actually clear. The entire property was nothing but just farm ground and a couple buildings. So we're going up there right now, actually. We're going hard at it right now, and we are clearing the property out. We've done probably about 9 acres, and we got about 65, 70 acres to go. We got a lot of clearing to do. So in this video, there's going to be drone shots, bunch of that stuff. You guys will get to see the entire farm, the corn, the beans, all the trees. You'll see there's 2 old buildings at the cornfield, and that is the old calf and dairy barn. They're both pretty structurally sound. The dairy barn has seen its better days because about 20 to 30 feet of metal have been blown off the barn. So 3 rafters that were up in the roof fell down into the barn. So we got to fix that. We will get to a point that we will go back and fix that. But right now we're just trying to get all the clearing we can done before harvest. And then harvest will hit, then we'll finish clearing, then we'll go back to those barns and fix the barns at some point. Calf barn though, it's missing like 2 sheets of metal on the roof. So it's pretty much structurally sound other than a couple places of rot. But it's actually really cool. The calf barn, it has all the old little calf hutches still in it. I'm not kidding you, they're little tiny like stalls for the calves. So that barn is actually, like, it's a really cool barn. Everything's still in there. But dairy barn is a little bit different story. Not all the stalls or dividers that were in there for the cows to go into for milking, not all of them are still there. A lot of those are tore out and gone. But there are some that are still in there. So I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it. And we're up there clearing right now. And I'm having a blast up there. It is awesome. And it's really cool. We've uncovered the barns. It's really cool how these barns were. And you'll see in the drone footage, when we get to the bean side, I'm going to show some trees in the back and trees on the side. On the side, we own that, and in the back, we own 20 acres back there. That's going to be cleared out, and same with the 15 acres to the side. That's also going to be cleared. Those 2... The 20 acres behind the beans are probably going to be turned into crop field. So it's just going to be a giant field. And then the 15 acres on the side will be turned into hay field because that was previously pasture. So we'll just tear the trees down and then plant orchard Timothy in there probably and get a lot of hay out of there hopefully. And there is actually on that side in the future hay field, there's actually an old barn and an old house. The house is useless. It's destroyed. It's still there, but you're not going to fix it to the point that you can live in it again. It's got to come down. So at this point, if anything, it's more of a hazard than anything. But it's buried in the trees. Nobody knows it's there. So it's just going to stay there for now because we haven't even gotten to that point. We're still over on the dairy barn side. But there's an old barn there too. I'm not sure if we're saving that or not. It doesn't look the best. We haven't gone in there and looked at it yet though, so maybe we'll go look at it, and it actually is structurally sound still. I don't know though. So this video is just going to be showing the property, showing what we bought, how big it is. It is a very, very large property, and I'm very excited to show you guys what we're doing up there. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.